Next sum, sixth sum, expand the following using a plus b into a minus b. The expansion is a square minus b square. They are given the identity. அவங்களே formula கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. We want to substitute that. p plus 2 into b minus 2. We want to find out which one is a, which one is b. Here a is p, b is 2. Which one having minus, that is b. A is p, b is 2. So a formula is a square minus b square, p square minus 2 square. P squared value as p square, 2 squared value as 4. The same wise l plus 3b, 3b minus l. Write it as the another format, 3p plus l. Which one contains minus? It is b. So l is b, 3b is a. Okay, formula is a squared minus b squared, 3b squared minus l squared. 3b squared, we want to square the both value, 3 squared and also b squared, 9b squared and minus l squared, that's all. Next sum, 4 minus mn and mn plus 4. Which one is minus? Mn is minus. So change to write as 4 minus mn, 4 plus mn. A is 4, b is mn. So a plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared, 4 squared minus mn the whole square. 4 squared 16, m squared and also n squared. 6 plus 7x, 6 minus 7x. A equal to 6x, b equal to 7y or y. We want to substitute the formula a squared minus b squared. It's homework for you. Seventh sum, evaluate the following using suitable identity. They are given number, we want to solve that. 51 squared. How will you find out 51 squared? Multiplication, 51 into 51. Finally we get the answer. But using formula, we can find out the 51 the whole square. Nearby 10 place value 50. So it can be written as 50 plus 1 the whole square. It is a format of a plus b the whole square. Here a for 50, b for 1. So a plus b the whole squared formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared 50 squared plus 2ab. 2 into a for 50, b for 1. And then b squared 1 squared. 50 squared. 50 squared, 5 5s are 25, 1 0, 2 0. That's all. 2 into 50, 100. 100 into 1, the same 100. 1 squared 1. Finally we add this value, 2500, 2600, 2601. Next sum, 103 whole square. How will you write 100 plus 3 the whole square? A plus b the whole square format. A for 100, b for 3. Complete this sum. Next sum, 998. It can be written as 1000 minus 2. Either it can be written as plus format or minus format, nearer by value. Here nearer by 100 is 1000. So 1000 minus 2 the whole square. A for 1000, b for 2. The formula is a minus b the whole square, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared for 1000 squared, b 2ab, 2 into a for 1000, b for 2. And then b squared for 2 squared. We can add this 2 value and then subtract this value. 1000 the whole square, here 30 mean, here 60, 10 lakhs, and then multiplication 2 into 2, 4, 4000, 2 squared 4. First minus this 2 value and then add this value. 9,96,004. 9,96,004. This is the final answer. The same wise 47 squared can be written as 50 minus 3 the whole square. Here a for 50, b for 3. We can write it as a minus b the whole squared format. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's all. And next sum, 297 into 303. It can be written as nearby 300 value. Here 300 minus 3, here 300 plus 3. A minus b into a plus b. What's the formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. 300 squared minus 3 squared. 300 squared here 90,000 and then 3 squared 9. Final answer is 89,991. 89,991. Here 990 into 1010. Both are nearby 1000. So 1000 minus 10, 1000 plus 10. A minus b into a plus b. A squared minus b squared. 1000 squared minus 10 squared. 1000 squared can be written as 10 lakhs and then minus 10 squared can be written as 100. Final answer minus 100. 9,99,900. That's all. Very very simple sums. This kind of method. Another one, 51 into 52. It can be written as 50 plus 1, 50 plus 2. Both are different values, so our first formula x plus a into x plus b, x for 50, a for 1, b for 2. Formula is x squared plus x into a plus b into ab. X value 50 squared, x value 50, a plus b 1 plus 2, ab 1 into 2. So 50 squared 2500, 1 plus 2 3, here 2 into 1 2, 2500, 50 into 3 150, here 2. Final answer 2652. That's all. Next sum, simplify a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. We know that the formula for a plus b the whole square, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Formula for this expansion, and then additionally having minus 4ab. Compare this two value, minus 4ab plus 2ab. This is the greater value, so subtraction from minus 4 to plus 2. So minus 2, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Reduce this value, answer is minus 2ab. This is the format of a minus b the whole square formula. That's all. Next sum, show that m minus n the whole square plus m plus n the whole square equal to 2 into m square plus n square. Very very important sum. M minus n the whole square, instead of a b they are given as mn. That's all. M minus n the whole square, m square minus 2mn plus n square. The same wise, m plus n the whole square, m square plus 2mn plus n square. Minus 2 plus 2 getting cancelled, m squared 2m squared, n squared 2n squared, commonly taken out the 2 outside, m squared into n squared. That's the RHS value. That's all. You want to apply two formula, a minus b the whole squared formula, a plus b the whole squared formula. Finally we are getting the answer. That's all. They are given a plus b as 10, a b as 18. We want to find out the value for a squared plus b squared. We don't know the formula for a squared plus b squared. So we want to derive from a plus b the whole squared formula. Given data is a plus b equal to 10, ab equal to 18. We want to find out a squared plus b squared. We are not having the a squared b squared formula. So we derived from a plus b the whole squared formula. A plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. A plus b, we know that value 10 the whole square. A squared plus b squared, we want to find out 2ab. 2 into ab value 8. 2 8s are 16. We want to find out a squared plus b squared. This 16 go that side means minus 16. Final answer is 84. That's all. A squared plus b squared, we want to substitute in the a plus b the whole squared formula. Next sum, factorize the following algebraic expressions by using the identity a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. We want to use this formula for below sums. Z squared minus 16. Here already squared format. We want to convert this value as square format. 16 can be written as 4 squared. 4 4s are 16. So both are squared format, 1 time plus 1 time minus. Again this is the squared format. We want to convert the number as the squared format. 9 can be written as 3 squared, 4 can be written as 2 squared. 3 squared minus 2y the whole square, 1 time plus 1 time minus, 3 plus 2y, 3 minus 2y. That's all. The same wise 25 minus 4a the whole square, x power 4 minus y power 4. 25 can be written as 5a the whole square, 49 can be written as 7b the whole square, 1 time plus 1 time minus, 5a plus 7b, 5a minus 7b, x power 4 minus y power 4, square term format 2 times, split it, x squared the whole square, y squared the whole square, 1 time plus 1 time minus, x squared plus y squared, x squared minus y squared. Next, factorize. It's a new concept for you. Factorize means we want to consider last term as product term, middle term as addition or subtraction term by separating the table. Last term as product term, middle term as addition or subtraction term. Here 16 and then minus 8. Which one gives 16 as the product and addition as the minus 8? 4 4s are 16, add means 8, but we are having minus 8, so both are minus. Minus 4, answer is minus 8, and then multiplication 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus. So the factors are x minus 4, that's all. The same wise y squared plus 20y plus 100, multiplication 100, addition 20. We want to find out. Next sum is a coefficient method. Here there is no coefficient before that. Here there is coefficient, mean we can separate. 36, how can we write it as 6m the whole square. 25 can be written as 5 square. The same wise, here in between addition means we add this value 6m plus 5 the whole square. 6m plus 5 the whole square means 2 times repeated. 6m plus 5, another one is also 6m plus 5. The next sum, the same way, 64 can be written as 8x the whole square. 8 8s are 64. 49 can be written as 7 7s are 49. In between minus, so I put it as the minus 8x minus 7y the whole square. 8x minus 7y multiplication 2 times, that's all. Next sum, a square plus 9b square minus c square. Square term write it as first and then last simple terms. It can be written as a square. 9b square can be written as 9 can be written as 3b the whole square c square. In between minus you mention the minus square at last. 2 time multiplication, a plus 3b minus c, a plus 3b minus c. Here 9 can be written as 3 squared. It's very essential.